Yes, please.
Hazrat F.A. Klein, in his book, The Religion of Islam, criticizes Islam as follows. Muhammad did not abolish slavery, but adopted it as a part of his system, kept slaves himself, and laid down certain laws and regulations, and made slavery a permanent institution of Islam. Hazur, how should we defend Islam?
Who says that?
It's F.A. Klein. It's written a book on religion of Islam.
Yes, quite right. In fact, all the Orientalists have inherited this allegation from a time, from medieval time, when there were no such scholars as Orientalists. Only a very ignorant class of church fathers criticized Islam as they thought fit. And it's the ugliest criticism of Islam because based on no foundation, only on stories and things. So they have this present generation, although it has softened down some in its attitude, but not entirely. Anyway, it has inherited all the criticism from that generation. As far as the Ahmediyya point of view is concerned, you better read a chapter on slavery by Mirza Bashir Ahmad Sahib Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu in his book Khatman. The best handling of that question so far I have read is in that chapter, Khatman. So if it's available, that can be translated and republished in review. You note it down so that this is an issue which is agitating the minds of the West and it should be given full treatment.
It has already been published in form of booklet.
In
the form of booklet.
In the form of booklet it is published, but it's better if it's published in review because that covers a much greater area than that booklet can.